Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI Playbook. So today I'm going to show a very beginning type of a tutorial. So that is to change text in Power BI based on the selected value using the selected value DAX. So let's see how we can do it. So first I take a blank sheet and then I create maybe a slicer, right? And then I add countries to that, right? So now the countries will come. So based on the selected value of these countries, I want to add a text here saying the selected country is, example, if I select Poland, has to be set as Poland. If no country has been selected, I want to say no country has been selected. So let's see how we can do that. Okay, so now I create a measure to achieve what we have discussed. So I say title, right? So first I check if there's a DAX called is blank, so that we can use to check whether the selected value is blank. So then is blank selected value country. So if the country is the selected value is blank, then we can say no country is selected, right? Else I can say selected country is space, and then we connect the concatenated strings, selected value country. Right, so our measurement is done. Now I get a card visual, right? And then I add the new title here. So right now, first it say no country is selected, right? So then let's say if I select one country, it shows the selected country is India. Like that. So if you select UK, the selected country is UK. So if nothing is been selected, no country is selected. So this is how you create a dynamic text to your title based on the selected value DAX. Thank you and keep in touch for more Power BI videos.